SPC's Gift of Giving is happening on December 11th and 12th. We have 4 projects that are very important to students to help make BYU a better place. Please consider donating.
The Student Philanthropy Council and the Science and Mathematics Department will be teaming up to do some classroom improvements in the form of chemical safety cabinets.
And we are standing right in front of some of the safety cabinets right here. We have one that needs to be replaced, and we would like to add a couple more for corrosive materials and flammable materials. These cabinets will directly support students majoring in biology, conservation management, all science, as well as minoring in chemistry.
We would love to see your support on the Gift of Giving on December 11th and 12th for the students by the students.
Early donations are welcome at the link below or on Venmo. SPC thanks you for your support.